Hi everyone, this is Lida Lajavardi. Today I'm talking about how to make the best advertising for your company. So my client come to me and they have lot of information that they want to put in one page, and they try to fill out the whole page with full information and text. But when we have too much information in one advertising, it makes the audience very overwhelmed. You lose your client when it's too busy and it doesn't specifically hit the target that you want it to. Make sure you know who's your target audience are. Make sure what is your messages are, and make sure what you want to say in a clear, understanding way in your ad. Before you come to the graphic designer. That's it. I think that was 1 minute, and this is Lida Lajavardi. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.